this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple or Android device ahead of the evening. For the evening, it's better if you use a tablet rather than a phone because you're basically using a bigger screen and you're going to have a better experience. What you need to do is go to the App Store for your device and search for Sleuthit. It's a free app and you'll need to download it. This will take about a minute, even on moderate Wi-Fi. And incidentally, we'd like you to do this ahead of the evening. There is Wi-Fi at the Crafty Teacup, but if you do this ahead of the evening, it'll be a lot easier than lots of people downloading apps. And you can go straight into playing the game. Once you've downloaded the app, open it, and you'll see all of the cases for Sleuthit are on display. And we're going to be playing Film Star Fatality, so I'm going to select that. And you'll get an alert and you'll have to select agree. You'll then need to authorize your location services because this is basically the way the app works. If you don't select authorize, it's not going to work. And I select always allow. We don't use notifications, so it doesn't really make any difference what you select here, but I'm selecting authorize. And at this point, I'm going to dismiss this download bundle alert, and I'm going to go to the menu bottom right, and you'll see here that I can go back to the main menu, which is the orange one if I want to select a different game, or in this case I'm going to select cache all assets. That's going to download everything you need to play the game. It doesn't take long, but it means all the evidence, the media, the films, the interactive stuff, all of it is downloaded to your device ahead of the evening, which means you don't have to wait a couple of minutes each time you access something. It's going to be instant. So please do this ahead of the evening. Once that's downloaded, you can tap on the graphic there and you'll see that we have the briefing, and the briefing is always visible throughout the whole game. So you can go into that. You can look at the breaking news information, the inspector's briefing, and you can have a look at the dossier ahead of the night if you want, in terms of having a look at who's involved. So that's you set up, and we'd like you to do that ahead of the evening on May the 6th. You're also going to need some headphones. So we advise you to have your own device because then you can work at your own pace, not wait for other people in your team, look at different stuff. But headphones are really important because if we have lots of devices all playing audio, you might find it confusing, irritating. But not only that, if you're listening to something, you might be listening to something that you don't want somebody else knowing about. So headphones will give you that. And you'll need a pen because you'll need to write stuff down. And there is a sheet that you're going to need to fill in to show that you've actually cracked the case successfully, and of course that's how we'll decide who the winning team is. So looking forward to seeing you on May the 6th. Arrive ahead of 7 o'clock if you can, and then I'll just check that your device is ready and set up, and we'll see you then.